Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the DSTV Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by a fan. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
I am Papa Wawa. I'm from here in Attracheville. This is our own ground. Okay, first and foremost, as Joe Banana, my friend, the coolest kid in Africa, have said.
Yes, sir.
Today is Women's Day, and all we can say, we say, Happy Women's Day, the women of South Africa.
Yeah.
It's unfortunate I cannot mention all of them, but I can mention one, which is Mamelodi Sundowns. Happy Women's Day. We gave you the present today. And I must say, you know, we're supposed to play this match at Loftus.
Yes, sir.
And we are used to play at best stadium.
Yes, sir.
They decided to take us into sports ground. And they were busy now removing the grounds. You know what they were doing? They were relocating their snake to come here. That's what happened.
Oh, okay. So you were beaten by their snake.
Snake had the hair. Yeah, it's obvious.
So, is that the reason why Game A shifted from Loftus fell to Attracheville Stadium?
Yes, of course. Of course. It was under the grass. They were removing it. We saw it on the
They must make ritual first.
It was never on the field.
And the only thing we didn't give to them is the cake. We actually forgot it inside the car. We should have just given them the cake for Women's Day.
Sure.
We should have done that.
And you should know.
Yes, sir.
It was. We still believe in Mulifenseki. He is the best coach. He is the solution. We are not retreating from that.
Okay.
You will know that it was Papa Wawa Duat. Lefasi kabuphara umhlaba wonke jikelele who said Mulifenseki will be the solution of Kaizer Chiefs when it was not fashionable to do so.
You said it.
I said it here on FANS Wethu TV.
Yes, sir.
And I still believe that it's gonna turn things around. And the history which you have seen, the fake history, where we have seen two plumbers in the history of PSL football sharing trophies and say, we're gonna take MTN 8 and Telkom knockout. Me, I will take PSL, because I'm called Pep Guardiola, I'm also going to take coach of the season. He became coach of the season in the absence of the best. Now Tekiola is here. We are still going to show them. There are things of going to Netherlands and go and beat reserve teams. It's going to come to an end here. Kaizer Chiefs is back. You know, we are back. We're gonna show them. You're gonna show them.
You guys are back this season.
We are back. We are here to stop their dominance.
So guys, I know you guys always tell me facts. So what is Kaizer Chiefs going to get in this season? I want it here first. I want you to tell them who the Kaizer Chiefs is going this season.
Okay, firstly, without a shadow of doubt, we got the trophy this season.
Silverware.
It doesn't matter which trophy, but we are going to get a trophy. And this MTN 8 we are starting on Saturday. Just watch out. Papa always saying watch out.
Watch
out. You know I speak things to existence. Watch out.
Yes, sir.
So we are getting a carpenter. He's busy with a shelf for the trophies, Baba.
For the trophies.
We don't know which one, but trophy. It's coming.
Slowly. My guys, KFing trophy Elisha Banglering. Which one do you want the most?
We see Nedbank Cup. That one is for us.
That one is for you guys.
Mark my words.
Mark your words.
You must remind me. That one is for us. That one I'm the one who's going to make the shelf there. I'm not a carpenter. I'm gonna learn to be a carpenter.
We'll put it in the cabinet very soon because we've been hearing stories that our cabinet is full of dust. We'll just dust it and put the trophy there. Definitely. The trophy will be there, definitely. We are tired of this team. They are trying to turn into the Bayern Munich of South Africa. No. The dominance must stop this season.
The dominance must stop this season.
We'll stop it, definitely.
You guys will stop the dominance this season.
Definitely. Without a shadow of a doubt. Yes.
Okay, my guys, is there anything that you want after such a heavy loss?
To Kaizer Chiefs faithfuls, guys, don't lose hope. It is coming together. It is just a matter of time before the bomb explodes.